What is up, fam? I am bringing you my stuffed peanut butter and jelly French toast recipe. It is pretty damn good, and the kids always get excited and will do chores when I make these for breakfast. To a thick Texas toast, you are going to slather on peanut butter on both sides. That is how we do peanut butter around here. And then you're going to add your favorite jelly. I happen to use raspberry. We also use strawberry or grape. It just depends on what the kids want and what we have on hand. And then you're going to place that on top of that. And then in a bowl, you're going to mix a cup of milk, 2 eggs, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and then a tablespoon of sugar. You're going to whisk that all together, and then on a griddle or the Blackstone or a skillet, place butter and melt butter. Dip the French toast into the milk mixture and don't let it sit in there or it will become soggy, and then cook it off for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. And you have some quick and easy French toast recipe with peanut butter and jelly. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as the kids do, and I hope you guys will visit marcirenee.com for the full recipe.